Welcome to the extraordinary journey of black garlic, beginning in the pristine fields where nature and tradition meet under the first light of a golden dawn. Here, dedicated farmers hand harvest every single bulb, ensuring that only the most robust and healthy garlic is selected for the transformation process that lies ahead. Specializing in the rare single-clove garlic, we look for perfection in every piece, focusing on the purity and density that will lead to a superior flavor. Once harvested, the garlic is transported immediately to our state-of-the-art facility, maintaining its freshness as it prepares to enter the rigorous first phase of production. The bulbs are fed onto a high-speed conveyor belt, where they begin their transition from the raw bounty of the earth into a refined health product. Our skilled technicians perform a rapid manual sort, discarding any specimen that doesn't meet our strict standards for size, shape, and overall structural integrity and quality. High-velocity air streams are used to blow away the loose outer layers of the husk, revealing the clean white protective shell beneath without damaging the clove. This mechanical vibration ensures that every bulb is uniform in size, which is critical for achieving a consistent fermentation result across the entire batch later on. The selected garlic is gathered in large batches, ready for the cleaning phase where we utilize advanced technology to ensure the highest levels of food safety. Quality control is at the heart of everything we do, ensuring that only the finest raw materials pass through the gates of our modern production line. The organization of our facility reflects our commitment to excellence, providing a structured environment where every step of the garlic's journey is carefully monitored and logged. Even the smallest details matter, like the precision trimming of the roots to ensure a clean appearance and to prevent any unwanted moisture traps during fermentation. This sea of white garlic represents the start of a deep transformation as we prepare to wash and sanitize the ingredients using the most advanced methods. Full traceability is guaranteed for every single batch, allowing us to track each bulb back to the exact field where it was grown and harvested earlier. With the selection complete, these pristine bulbs are now ready to undergo a deep cleaning process that will prepare them for their long, slow heat treatment. The cleaning begins with high-pressure water jets that reach every crevice, stripping away any remaining impurities and ensuring the garlic is completely sterile and ready. We utilize ultrasonic cleaning technology, where microscopic bubbles penetrate the outer layers of the garlic skin to remove fine particles that manual washing simply cannot reach. Sustainability is key, so we recycle our water through multi-stage filtration systems, keeping the process environmentally friendly while maintaining the highest levels of hygiene. After washing, the bulbs are spun in a high-speed centrifuge to remove excess water, preventing any rot or mold during the early stages of the heating. A gentle flow of warm air ensures the exterior of each bulb is perfectly dry, which is a critical step for a uniform Maillard reaction later. Precision placement is key. The garlic is laid out in single layers on stainless steel trays to allow for optimal airflow and heat distribution throughout the process. These racks are now prepared for the fermentation room, where they will reside for several weeks under the watchful eye of our temperature control systems. The preparation is complete. Every bulb is now a clean slate, ready for the chemical transformation that will turn its sharp bite into a sweet flavor. Modern science and food technology work in harmony here, ensuring that every variable is controlled to produce the most consistent and potent black garlic available. Our facility maintains strict clean room standards, ensuring that no contaminants can enter the production line during these crucial early stages of the garlic's life cycle. Final sterilization checks are performed using ultraviolet light, ensuring a perfectly clean environment for the long-term fermentation process that is about to start. The heart of the factory is the fermentation chamber, a specialized environment where time and heat combine to create the magic of black garlic. The garlic begins its 45-day journey, entering a world of precise temperature and humidity, where the enzymes will start to break down and transform. Nervous systems of the factory, our sensors monitor the environment 24/7, maintaining a steady heat between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius with pinpoint accuracy. In the first few days, the garlic undergoes a subtle change as the heat triggers the Maillard reaction, slowly darkening the internal sugars of the clove. Humidity is the secret ingredient. It keeps the garlic from drying out too quickly, allowing the enzymes to work their way through the entire bulb evenly. Manual checks complement our automated systems, as our master fermenters ensure that every rack is responding correctly to the delicate environmental conditions provided. As the weeks progress, the color deepens into a rich gold, and the harsh sulfurous compounds begin to dissipate, replaced by a complex, savory sweetness. The entire hall hums with the sound of circulating air and heating elements. A massive operation dedicated to the slow art of natural food transformation. Constant air circulation prevents hotspots, ensuring that every tray, from the top of the rack to the bottom, undergoes the exact same aging process. The outer skin acts as a natural protective vessel, holding in the juices and flavors, while the heart of the garlic turns into something entirely new. By the third week, the transition to black is well underway, as the amino acids and sugars react to form the dark pigments of the finished product. Scientific testing happens at every milestone, checking the internal moisture levels to ensure the texture will be perfectly soft and chewy, never dry or hard. There is a quiet beauty in this slow process, a patience that cannot be rushed if one wishes to achieve the ultimate nutritional and flavor profile. After 45 days of constant monitoring, the primary fermentation stage is finally complete, and the garlic is ready to step out into the world. Opening the doors releases a deep, balsamic-like aroma that fills the air, a sign that the transformation has been successful and the garlic has matured. The toasted exterior hides the black treasure within, a testament to the power of heat and time in creating one of nature's most potent superfoods. This transition marks the end of the heat phase, but the journey to the perfect black garlic is not yet over, as maturation begins now. Expert touch is used to verify the results, ensuring that the garlic has reached the necessary level of softness before moving to the cooling phase. The garlic now enters a period of stabilization, moving into a cooler environment to allow its flavors to settle and its texture to fully set. The maturation room is where the garlic breathes, allowing the complex chemical changes to stabilize in a peaceful and strictly controlled environment. Gentle airflow is crucial during this stage, preventing any moisture buildup while allowing the garlic's structure to firm up into its final, jelly-like consistency. As it cools, the flavors concentrate even further, shifting from a sharp heat to a sweet, umami-rich taste that resembles balsamic vinegar and licorice. We monitor the cooling curve carefully. A slow, steady reduction in temperature is essential to preserve the delicate balance of antioxidants and active compounds. This phase can last for several more days, ensuring that every bulb reaches the peak of its nutritional potential before being prepared for the market. The reveal is breathtaking. What was once a sharp white vegetable is now a smooth dark masterpiece, rich in S-acetylcysteine and other vital nutrients. Patience is our greatest tool. We never rush the maturation process, as it is the final key to achieving the signature texture of our black garlic. The elasticity of the clove is a sign of a perfect aging process, indicating that it will melt in the mouth with a smooth jam-like texture. Maintaining an ultra-clean air environment prevents any external odors or contaminants from affecting the delicate scent and taste of the maturing garlic. Row upon row of excellence, these bulbs represent months of careful cultivation and weeks of scientific transformation, soon to be ready for the world. Human oversight remains our most trusted quality measure, as our experts use their years of experience to judge the maturity of each batch. Every environmental variable is kept in a perfect equilibrium, ensuring the final product is consistent in flavor, color, and texture every single time. The natural sugars have concentrated and caramelized, creating a beautiful shine that is a hallmark of properly aged and high-quality black garlic. With the aging process complete, the garlic is finally ready for the finishing touches, where it will be cleaned and prepared for final packaging. Handling is done with extreme care to avoid bruising the now soft cloves, preserving the beautiful aesthetic of the whole bulb for our customers. The transition is seamless, moving from the quiet rest of maturation to the active, high-precision environment of our final quality control and peeling stations. Internal consistency is the goal. A solid, deep black throughout the entire clove indicates that the fermentation reached the very heart of the garlic. Every batch is certified only after it meets all our rigorous standards, ensuring that what reaches your table is nothing short of absolute perfection. Now we enter the final inspection, where the texture is tested for its signature softness and the color is verified for its deep intensity. This elastic rebound is the true test of quality. It proves the garlic is neither too dry nor too soft, but exactly the right consistency. In our on-site laboratory, we measure the levels of active ingredients, ensuring that our black garlic is as nutritionally dense as it is delicious. Advanced pneumatic peeling systems are used to remove the husk without touching the delicate clove, maintaining a pristine and untouched surface for the consumer. The result is a collection of perfectly peeled cloves, glowing with a natural dark sheen and ready to be sorted for their final destination. Human precision ensures that every clove is flawless, as we manually inspect each piece to remove any lingering fragments of the outer shell. Under the light, the quality is undeniable. The surface is smooth, the color is uniform, and the promise of health is clearly visible in every clove. We ensure that every package contains the exact amount of goodness promised, using calibrated scales to maintain consistency across our entire product range. Science confirms the flavor. By measuring the Brix levels, we ensure the natural sweetness has reached its peak through the long fermentation process. Teamwork and technology combine to process thousands of cloves daily, all while maintaining the boutique quality that our brand is known for worldwide. Our non-contact peeling methods are the height of food innovation, preserving the integrity and shape of the garlic while ensuring total cleanliness. These cloves are now ready for their final stage, where they will be sealed in protective packaging to lock in their freshness and flavor. The packaging phase begins with robotic precision, ensuring that each clove is handled gently and placed exactly where it needs to be. Vacuum sealing is critical to preserve the soft texture and prevent oxidation, locking in the nutrients and flavor for the long journey to your home. Our packaging is designed to be as premium as the product inside, with high-quality labels that reflect the care and science put into every bulb. Clear information and traceability are provided on every jar, giving our customers confidence in the freshness and origin of their black garlic purchase. A parade of health. Hundreds of finished units move toward the final packing station, ready to be boxed and shipped to health-conscious consumers. For our premium editions, we use elegant gift boxes, making our black garlic the perfect present for anyone who values their health and well-being. Large-scale shipping is handled with the same attention to detail, ensuring that our products reach our global distributors in perfect, pristine condition. Our logistics network is built for speed and reliability, bringing the benefits of our black garlic to every corner of the world without delay. Beyond health, it is a culinary treasure. Black garlic is used by top chefs to add depth, sweetness, and a unique umami to their dishes. Many enjoy it as a daily supplement, paired with a cup of warm tea, to boost their immune system and overall vitality naturally every morning. Its versatility is endless. Spread it on bread, use it in sauces, or simply eat it alone to experience the full spectrum of its flavor. This is the result of patience, science, and a deep respect for nature. The ultimate black garlic, crafted for your long and healthy life. We are proud to share this journey with you, from the first sprout in the field to the final premium product on your kitchen table. Our commitment to quality never sleeps, as we continue to innovate and produce the world's finest black garlic for your family's health every day. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Discover the power of black garlic today and elevate your health to a whole new level of excellence.